Friends, do you think that starting a manufacturing business is very difficult and its investment is high? No, friends. Today's technology has made it very easy. Today, you can start a business with many small desktop manufacturing machines. And with these machines, you can make and sell products from home and earn good income. In this situation, do you also dream of starting a small manufacturing business of your own choice from home? If yes, then you've come to the right place. In today's video, we have brought you 15 amazing desktop manufacturing machines, and they will turn a small corner of your house into a profitable factory. Moreover, you can easily buy all these machines from sites like IndiaMart, Trade India and Alibaba. For your convenience, we have included the links to all these machines in the video description. So watch the entire video because each machine has a new business idea. And also, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon to get the latest news of upcoming videos first. So come on, without any delay, let's get started. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Tabletop Cookie Making Machine. If you want to enter the food business, then this small tabletop biscuit making machine is a great choice for you. With the help of this machine, you can make biscuits and cookies in various flavors, shapes and designs. The demand for healthy snacks and homemade cookies is skyrocketing. So you can make small packages under your brand name and sell them in local bakeries, cafes, supermarkets and online platforms. Number 2. Desktop CNC Machine. Next, a CNC milling machine is ideal for making these small-scale metal, plastic or wooden products. This machine automatically performs tasks such as cutting, drilling and shaping according to your computer design. Today, the demand for jewelry, engineering parts and mini furniture is growing rapidly in the market, and this machine will help meet that demand. Not only that, its small size makes it suitable for home use. So starting a small manufacturing business with it can be very profitable for you. Third, tortilla and roti making machine. If you are interested in the fast and quick food manufacturing industry, a mini tortilla and bread making machine would be a great investment. Yes, currently the number of online food delivery services and homemade food startups is increasing rapidly. In such a situation, you can make mini tortilla and bread with this small machine and connect it with local cafes, canteens, food shops and distribution chains to earn income. Number 4. Mini Injection Molding Machine. Friends, if you want to produce small plastic components like bottle caps, product parts or even custom items, this mini injection molding machine is a smart investment. This machine, despite its small size, is capable of producing professional grade results, and the demand for plastic products is steady. So with a low investment, you can start a manufacturing business with this small machine, especially if you keep your operations efficient and your product line sharp. Number 5. Desktop Chocolate Making Machine. Today there is a high demand for customized chocolates and candies made at home in many places, especially during festive seasons or special occasions. Moreover, this small desktop machine allows you to make chocolates in various shapes, flavors and designs. Therefore, if you start a chocolate making business using this machine, you can attract more customers in less time and achieve great success. Number 6. Portable UV Printing Machine. Next, let's look at the UV printing machine. Friends, with the help of this UV printing machine, you can print high-quality products on mobile covers, mugs, tiles, pens, photo frames, keychains, etc. The demand for personalized products will continue to increase in the coming years, and this machine will help you capture this market in a small way. Apart from that, its operation is very easy, and you can produce professional quality products in a limited space. Number 7. Lip Balm and Cream Filler Machine. Friends, the beauty and personal care industry is going to grow even faster in the coming years. So this small lip balm and cream filling machine is perfect for your home business. With this machine, you can make lip balms, moisturizers, and hand creams with different fragrances, flavors, and textures. Then you can sell your products online and offline and quickly become popular in the market. Number 8. Food Dehydrator. Nowadays, the demand for healthy snacks and long-life food is increasing very rapidly. Its demand is especially increasing on e-commerce platforms and will increase even more in the future. And with the help of a food dehydrator, you can easily make dried products by drying fruits, vegetables, herbs, and meat at home. Therefore, this makes this business a great opportunity for high profits and home-based side income with very little investment. Number 9. Small coffee roaster. Coffee consumption among today's youth is increasing every year, and this small coffee roaster allows you to make coffee of various flavors at home. Yes, you can make specialty coffee packets and sell them to local cafes, offices, and online platforms. Not only that, the initial investment in this business is low, but the profit margin is very good. Number 10. Perfume filling machine. If you want to get into the perfume or fragrance industry, this small perfume filling machine works very well. You can make perfume bottles in different flavors and sizes. Currently, the demand for personalized luxury perfumes is growing rapidly. So with this small machine, you can start small-scale production from home and make good profits. Number 11. Leather cutting machine. The demand for leather goods has never been lower. This small leather cutting machine allows you to cut bags, belts, wallets, and shoes with precision. This makes this business ideal for small-scale startups. Yes, with this you can produce high-quality handmade leather goods in small quantities and sell them through various platforms. Number 12. Desktop oil extraction machine. Nowadays, the demand for natural and organic oil products is growing very fast, and this small machine allows you to extract essential oils at home. So with this small machine, you can produce pure oils from peanuts, sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, coconuts, and other products and sell them in the beauty, health, and food industry. Moreover, it has a lot of market opportunities, not only now but also in the future. Number 13 is 3D printing machine. Friends, the craze for 3D printing is going to increase even more in the future. This small desktop machine allows you to create unique products from materials such as plastic, resin, or metal. You can use it to make mobile covers, toys, prototypes, personalized gifts, and even home decor items. Its most special feature is that its operation is very easy and can be set up in a minimal space. Once the design is set, the machine works automatically so that you can produce more products in less time. Number 14. Embroidery machine. The demand for personalized and customized products is currently at record levels, and with the help of embroidery machines, you can easily create premium embroidered products by creating unique designs on t-shirts, cushions, handbags, hats, and home decor items. And you can easily sell it in local boutique stores, fashion houses, and online platforms, making this business a very profitable option for those with a creative mindset at a low cost. Number 15. Laser engraving machine. If you want to start a business of personalized gifts or customized products, a laser engraving machine is a great option. This machine can engrave designs, names, logos, or patterns on many surfaces such as wood, acrylic, leather, metal, and glass. The personalized gift industry is expected to grow very fast in the coming years. So with this machine, you can make good profits by making cups, keychains, photos, frames, gift boxes, and corporate products sitting at home. So guys, here are 15 amazing desktop manufacturing machines that can help you start a home business. And friends, which one of these machines do you like the most and what do you want to start your business on? Please let us know in the comments. All the businesses listed above are part of the industry. So if you want more information about these businesses, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.